Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the function Tooth History. This allows a practitioner to view all activity that has taken place on a specific tooth-by-tooth number. This is a fast and efficient way for a practitioner to see what procedures have been done on a specific tooth, as well as the invoices posted and any treatment plans that have been set up relating to a specific tooth. On the main diary screen, select the patient who is being treated. Click on the dental button in the side panel. The Diagnosis Observations screen will open. Please note, if a tooth has any history on it, the tooth will have a color indication in the background or on the tooth surfaces to indicate that work has been done on the tooth. Click on the drop-down of the tooth's history that you would like to view. Click on the View Tooth History. The Tooth History screen will open where all history regarding the selected tooth will be displayed in different sections named Posted Invoices, Treatment Plans, and Notes. Posted Invoices. These are all invoices where the specific tooth number was used on the billing or on an invoice, which will be displayed here. This will be listed chronologically by date from newest to oldest. Click on the plus details to expand the details of the invoice. Click on the minus details to collapse the details. Treatment plans regarding the selected tooth are automatically saved as an estimate. This will be listed chronologically by date from newest to oldest. Click on the plus details to expand the details of the treatment plan. Click on the minus details to collapse the details. All notes that have been added to the specific tooth, including pictures and text notes, will be listed chronologically by date from newest to oldest. Click on Close after you have reviewed the tooth history to close the screen. If a quick note has been added on a tooth, a paperclip will be displayed on the specific tooth to indicate that a note has been made. If there is no history available on a tooth, the sections will show that there is no information posted or saved on the chosen tooth. Click on Close after you have reviewed the tooth history to close the screen. Click on Close on the Diagnosis Observation screen to return to the diary.